guys, I'm Lucy.
Hi guys, I'm Olivia. Do you guys like my hair? I just got it done.
Yeah, I got a new head. So today we're gonna draw ketchup.
Let's start, guys.
Ready?
Yep.
The first one, we preparing marker, right?
Yep.
Then we draw a small rectangle on the top, okay? And then remember, there's a curved corner, okay?
Don't make it pointy.
Okay, we could do like this. Rectangle, and then the curved corner. Curved corner. Little curve, not much. Yes, it's like that. Yeah, perfect. And then we draw horizontal line in the middle. Okay.
And this is the cat, guys.
Then draw another small rectangle inside, right here.
I'm gonna make mine rounded again.
Oh, that's good. That looks good. Okay. Then we draw the bottleneck, okay? The top is a little smaller, tiny smaller.
Yeah.
And the bottom is getting a little tiny bit bigger, okay? So doing it here. So here is bigger, then bigger. Both sides should balance, right?
Yeah.
And the corner a little bit curved.
Just like the top.
Yes. And now we join the body, right? The bottle body.
Bottle body.
The body of the bottle. Okay. Okay, so the same. Here is the smaller, and the bottom a tiny bit bigger. Okay.
A little fatter. Fat bottle.
Here. Yep. And the bottom, the corner, remember,
is curved.
Yes.
If you make something pointy, it will look kind of weird since the whole drawing is curved, basically.
Yep. And the bottom. Okay. This, right? Okay, the shapes is here. And now we draw something detail inside of the bottle. So there's a sticker, right?
This is the hard part, guys.
The sticker in the middle. There's some like pattern and logos. So here we draw a little upside down zapusoy. Okay.
Draw a straight line and then
Like this, right?
draw these lines.
Yep.
I
And then
made mine kind of skinny.
the both sides put the horizontal line. And both sides we draw the straight line. Is this straight or it's a straight?
But it's a little bit curved.
Little bit curved?
Just a tiny bit.
Okay.
I made it too curved.
Okay. It's fine.
The sticker looks like it's dancing.
You wanna fix it a bit? Yeah, we could fix, okay? I give you a white pen.
Okay.
Okay, now we draw the ketchup on here. Ketchup. When we coloring, we are gonna draw some tomato and more decorated on the sticker. So now we only draw ketchups on the top, okay? Okay, now we start the coloring.
Let's begin, guys.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, it looks so good.
Well, looks so real, right? I really like it. Yeah, we actually use a very simple color, like 3 or 4 color, but turning very well, right? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe our channel if you like, okay? Okay, see you next time.